Hi, this is Joshua, and I'm from Tactiles. Our startup aims to make learning electronics engineering simpler and fun. Electronics is a building block on where almost all major achievements in today's world are built upon. This is one of the reasons on why it's a course that is taught as early as the K-12 level. The problem here is that from our interviews with schools and universities, it's actually twofold. First, when you go through straight breadboard, it gives you the flexibility to design. But the thing is, it also takes a lot of time and consumes a lot of resources of the students in troubleshooting at a stage where they don't even have a good grasp of the concept yet. On the other hand, what you have are those plug-in boards produced by equipment manufacturers where the students just have to wire things up. We just have to put the wires in the blocks, making seeing the theory as easy as possible. But the problem there is that although it's easy enough to use, the students doesn't have the flexibility to explore outside of what the board provides. So most of the universities we interviewed are actually looking for something in the middle. Can you provide something that is easy enough for a new student to use, but yet flexible enough such that when they want to explore concept, they would want to explore ideas, they could do it. And that is what we want to produce.
So take for example designing a light control buzzer signified by that diagram. Now, with our blocks you can immediately relate the thing that you draw in your design to what you are building because the schematics is represented exactly as it. You would be connecting it as simple as possible. We are planning to shift into another connection platform in the future. But the idea is it should be easy enough for the students to not mind how you're connecting. And at the end, bring your creation to life. Okay? But the thing is, we would also be implementing it with software. You can have diagrams and blocks and projects that is designed already that the students can follow to build things. Right? Like this one, which can tell the students whether they're doing it right or wrong. This would help in maintaining the novelty of the item because since they don't have that much knowledge in it yet, they don't really have that much flexibility, but you can give them a guide to do what they want to do, and from then on, start creating and innovating things. The software also gives you the capability to measure. Okay, so similar to the ammeter here, you're actually measuring and seeing how much current is flowing into that circuit. But aside from that, the software also gives you the capability to control.
We have demoed today how this can be applied in education, but we see a lot of potential that this hardware can help democratize the use of electronics and instruments as a whole. Take for example this unit. This is practically a communication module to your PC that, if connected to this, can be transformed into a PC-based current meter. Change this, for example, with a Bluetooth module and connect it to your current meter. Then what you have is a portable device that can measure current and transmit the measurement into any laptop or mobile devices. Basically, what this does is that it allows the students, it allows the user to carry the thing in their pocket, and then when they need to use it, pull it out. So this is in the form of measurement. In the side of control, use this switch, connect it into your Bluetooth module or Wi-Fi module, and connect it into your everyday appliance, for example. Okay? So, in general, this is what we want to do. We would want to create a library of modules that people can mix and match, whether they are an expert or just a student or just a hobbyist, to create inventions, to create things. We think that this idea has a lot of potential, both for engineering education and how people measure, interact, and control the environments as a whole. Modularizing items, from construction blocks to transistors, has always given engineers the flexibility they need to design bigger and more powerful things. This is what we would want to achieve using these blocks, and we need your help into achieving this vision.